Yeah, so we're in Porto. Just landed. About to get an Uber out to where our Airbnb is.
A new chapter begins.
Exactly, mate.
We are currently in Guimareas, which is about 40 kilometers just outside of Porto, and it's in the wine region, which is fantastic. We are at our first Airbnb for the second part of our trip. It's quite a nice place. It was built back in the medieval times, and it's called the Medieval Manor. Sorry about the water noise, but we've got our own river. Oh, I just forgot. We put our bag on our door last night because we get bread delivered every morning. Fresh bread from the local baker. Look at that. Let's go and cook some googie eggs. Let's go. Oi, Jacob. Do you want to come out and give him a tour?
Brother, sorry, coming. I was just enjoying my tea in the cupboard. Gotcha. Not actually a cupboard. When we first booked this Airbnb, we weren't sure how many rooms to expect. Got here and it's just one. It's pretty much a studio, but a bit of an upgrade in our third month from Rosanna. Kitchen space is, there's too much. I don't know what to do with it all. I'm so excited to get some pumpkins in that oven. But I will show you where I was enjoying my tea, because it's actually the ensuite. Have a look in there. The medieval ensuite. Yes, back in olden times, they used to have actually more advanced showers. There's not just one tap, you've got three choices. You can either have jets spray you, so make sure you close the door, otherwise you soccer the bathroom and yeah, it's gonna be a bathtub in the whole ensuite. But no, we're stoked because, usually that was our bathroom in Rosanna. But now we have all of this. We got stones, mate. You can go rock climbing in here. Okay, that's enough. That's far too long of a grand tour. I will show you into the courtyard. This is lovely. Although the weather is a bit patchy and the river's flowing. If you can hear me, I'll just say I'll just say in there, we're about to head out. And then we'll wrap it up. I thought we were finished with the roadside shenanigans.
No, the first car ride in Porto, and we got a flat.
And we've made a huge dent in our journey. Whoa, muscles! It's raining outside. It's cool. Alright, if it's on
The 2, it's nose.
If it's on the 2, it's nose.
Other side is ear.
And what's the other side?
Oh, nose. Oh, lovely.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I want to make you cry.
Yeah.
Ooh, 2:30. Time to go to the dentist. But first, we're gonna suck back a nice little red. We've got a nice little red from the Douro Valley, which we are amongst. And we're excited. We're really excited. We love red, which is why we booked this Airbnb. Let's crack it. So, from what I remember, this bottle was €3, which is bloody cheap. Smells fantastic. Smells like what I hoped it would be.
Oh God, yeah. Is there a better way to spend an afternoon than drinking red indoors while it rains outside?
No.
Okay, Jakey Oliver, the naked chef.
I'm not naked. Only sometimes.
What do you got there, mate?
What I have here is a bread bag that we got delivered this morning from the hands of the local baker. We've got a nice little white loaf. We have a nice little white loaf. We have two nice little white loaves. Over here, Jacob has been cooking up a storm. Got a nice, oh fuck, that's hot. We've got a nice pumpkin soup on the go, which is yet to be blended, but she's bubbling, mate.
Give her a smell and tell us what you think.
That's pumpkin, alright. This is not a tea towel, this is a bag. We're gonna, I reckon, cut the multigrain and maybe one of the nicer, that's like right there. I'm gonna go a multigrain and a white, cut them in half, give them a toast, put them on a plate so you can dunk and you can eat it up. But actually quickly, what I'm gonna do is...
Should we get a beverage?
Oh yeah. Do you mean to put this on the door? Do you want more bread tomorrow?
Yeah.
Fuck it, why not? Mate, when you get free bread, you get free bread. All you gotta do is put it on the door, and before you know it, the baker's coming to your house. It's blend time, baby.
We weren't sure what appliances were available to us in the Airbnb, but Jake managed to find this little guy. And guess what? It's exactly what I needed to make this soup very smooth. So smooth, you don't even notice it going in your belly. I'm actually really stoked with how this is smelling. It's a pumpkin cauliflower spicy number with coconut milk. And we're gonna blend it into a soup. It's been a bloody good day. Oh mate, I'm very excited.
Give it hell.
Come on, baby. This could go all over me, and that would probably be good for video sake.
Yeah.
Not good for dinner sake.
Let me get a little bit further back just in case. Yep.
Oh no, that's perfect. Oh yeah.
Alright then, I'll see you later.
How's life, Jimbo?
I could cry.
Nice movie.
Life is just too good.
Watching the Soup Nazi episode.
While having a bit of soup,
Yes, please, let's
some delicious bread, great company, good beers.
There's a soup stand. Kramer's been going there. He's always raving. I finally got a chance to go there the other day, and I tell you this, you will be stunned.
Stunned by soup.
You can't eat this soup standing up. Your knees buckle.
Mate, he's a buckling right now.
Only one caveat.